Alright guys, this is how to clean, how to repair EH0 fault code. Let me tell you, it's free, and all you need is you have to clean something on AEG Lavamat dryer system. It's very easy fix, and you don't have to spend anything on spare parts. It's very easy DIY repair of the AEG Lavamat dryer system. You can see how it looks like inside. It's very easy. All you have to do is unscrew the bolts from the back to remove that panel here. Basically, it looks like this. Yep, it looks like this. Remove all the bolts. Get the panel off. Make sure the power is off. Also, you have two screws like this, which are holding the PCB board on the side. This is the PCB board, and remove the top covers also. It's the first thing. And all you need is open the board. Open the PCB board. You have to disconnect, obviously, make sure the power supply is off. It's the first thing. Remove these connections here and open the board. You'll find inside a lot of fluff like this is staying inside the board, which is making the board thinking of the power supply or something faulty. So clean the board, put it back together. Let me show you how. Yeah, look at the board. Just close it. When you're done with the cleaning, hold the board. It's difficult with the one hand, but yeah. Put the connections back. In place, like this. And then the board actually stays like this. And it clicks here, like this. So let me show you. Power on, and there you go. The machine is working. No more error messages. No more error messages. It's fixed. It's all working. Very easy. Very easy. And then you have to just put all the panels back. And yeah, you can clean it with a vacuum cleaner inside, because it's collecting a lot of fluff. You can see. So dirty inside. Just clean it, and that's it. It's all working. The compressor is working. Everything's fine. Yeah. There you go. The compressor. You can feel it. Just put your hand there, and you can feel the compressor is working. Very easy. working. Hold on. Alright guys, subscribe for more tips and videos how to repair appliances. We're big repair shop. We do all kinds of appliances repair. Yeah. Okay. See you later. Cheers.